Hello guys, welcome back to Learning While Farming, and today we're here with another video. Today is something special, a core memory, something different. Look at the sign guys. Pretty ironic, isn't it? No dumping of garbage. Oops. I need to use my hat guys, it's really hot. I forgot to bring a long sleeve. No, I'm riding a bicycle right now with a holding. Look. But yeah, it's really hot. I should have brought a long sleeve. But anyhow, so after the dumping of garbage, you guys can clearly see that people don't really respect laws over here. That's something common here in Belize, unfortunately. People don't respect rules. But yeah, it is what it is. Currently I'm riding my bicycle, like I said, over to a destination I'm gonna show you guys, which is a core memory. I haven't been here in years guys, so yeah, keep track. Here's an acres of land, but they're low, they're pretty low. So I'm looking around if no one is around guys, because I'm a bit camera shy. I'm kidding. But yeah, this little hill over here, I recall it perfectly. It would get filled over here with water all over here. Oh, they're plowing right here. It's plowed. This is a good amount of land that was plowed. So over here there was a papaya field. All over here guys. All over here you had a papaya field, and it was nice and lovely to see. If I'm not mistaken, it's from the company called Fruta Bomba. Oh yes, they're spraying for cane. I think they're planting cane. There's a pickup down there. Yeah, this was my favorite hill as well guys. As a kid with my little bike, I would just stop pedaling and let the hill do the job, but it seems that the rain has been washing it for quite some years, so there's not much the same amount of momentum. This is a perfect area for bird watching guys, honestly. It's quiet, it's peaceful, it's beautiful. You heard it? Listen. Over here you can recognize a lot of birds, species. You can see many animals, but you know, it's mostly in the evening time, like really evening. But yeah guys, I'm near, I'm close. You guys can't smell it, but right here there's a scent. You can feel the water, you can smell the water that is around, and it gives you this vibe. This is pure nostalgia over here. Yep. Nada.
Cayeron uno.
Ya cayeron. Ahí los tienes.
Sí, allá.
Está hasta el fondo, creo.
Sí, hasta el fondo. Mete la mano, a ver.
Oh, sí, se cayeron. Sí. Nice ahorita fried dry.
Sí. Ya, allá está cruzando, estaba cruzando de lado a lado. Ahí está.
No muy se traba, ¿verdad?
No,
Está limpio.
está limpio. Digo, estaban bañando unos cuates allá, mano.
Oh. Está.
Pero estos son buenos pescaditos, ¿no?
Buen fried chicken con esos.
Sí, mano.
Ni limpiado.
Sí. Tengo la casa donde tengo otro.
So, hello guys. I was conversating with a friend of my grandfather, an ex-Honduran. Right now what we're gonna see is like a down valley. And you guys are gonna see it. So this creek runs from, I didn't have time, like said, I was speaking and having a conversation with that guy, and the creek comes from miles and miles away, right? It was done by a sugar cane factory, if I'm not mistaken, a company back in the 1900s. And all where you see that is green, the big trees, right through there the creek passes, and you can distinguish it in between the cane, and that's why a lot of these cane fields are pretty beautiful, because of that reason. It stores water alongside. So there's a fun fact. In moments like these, I would really appreciate a mountain bike. Here, a group of friends, we came over here alongside about 6 years ago. We would sit over here, we would hunt for pigeons. This wasn't here, this is recent, but this has been here for quite some time. People take out, tend to excavate. Big trucks come and excavate. Excavators come, trucks, and to fill roads, fill yards, and so on. But yeah, all the view over there, that is insane. I haven't been here, guys. I have no idea. I haven't been here in years, right? I remember all this scene, right? But I didn't know about that hole over there. That is a shrimp farm over there. I said there's too many times. That is a shrimp farm. I think fishes and so on. Only because I'm alone and I don't have much of a crowd of friends around there too far. Or not that we would do a hiking around, guys. It's pretty nice. I really love adventures like these. I recall, I'm not going close. I'm not going anywhere near that second creek. This one I'm really scared of, guys. This place you tend to see a lot of crocodiles around here. I'm not coming near. This has always been one of my fears, this side of this particular creek. No. Okay, this is the village of Estrella, however you want to call it. I'm not too sure what exactly this place is when it comes to so right here, maybe it's still with the shrimp farm associated with it. I'm not too sure. I don't know what you guys think it is, but if it's close to the shrimp farm, then it gotta be associated with it, right? This place reminds me of the scene of Jeepers Creepers. Look at the truck over there. Let me hurry up. Oh, there's people over there. Never mind, can't be Jeepers Creepers. Yeah, like I said, this is another road I could have taken, but like I said, Estrella isn't much developed like that. The people that live here could be counted. It's a few of them, but yeah. I had to change batteries, so This is the river. It's pretty calm. I don't trust it, guys. I don't like getting close to water like this. I'm gonna head out now. Alright guys, you guys have seen it. Time to head out. Hey, what are you? Hey. Back in the days, Pembroke Hall is and has been one of the oldest villages of Belize. Has been one of the oldest with name registered. And it was a place of sugar, of cane, still is. Sugar cane is one of the biggest markets here in Belize, especially for Libertad. So many blocks and blocks of land, all in the name of sugar cane. It's green, it's abandoned. Take a view. It's green, it's abandoned. This was once a big and functional factory, but you know, a part of the journey is the end. It's unfortunate. Many people did die over here. It's sort of a paranormal place, guys. Truly, people have said stories about it. It is quite paranormal. They have paranormal activities, doors open, people walk behind you, and so on. But yeah, this was once was. What am I even saying, dude? Well, yeah, guys, this was the video for today. Riding again with a holing. This was learning while farming. Another section, something different, something juicy. But yeah, guys, please take care, please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, please take care.